You want to go do a food review? You want to? You want to? You want to do a food review? Do you want to do one? Do you want to do one? You? You do?
Welcome back to our channel. I'm Reggie.
I'm Sarita.
This is Buttons rolling with his goggles on. Looking cool.
Mm-hmm.
Riding in the wind.
Oh.
He's trying to figure out where he wants to.
He's not sure where he wants to sit.
He's all over the place. All right, so we're at KFC today.
Yay!
And I think we ordered half the menu because we were hungry.
We did.
So we ordered quite a bit of stuff. So Sarita ordered through the app. She likes to order through the app. How was the experience with the...
I ordered online. I didn't order through the app.
Oh,
yeah.
Online.
Sorry,
You
Reg.
didn't use the app.
Yeah.
Okay.
We
She ordered online on this one. How was the online experience then?
It was good.
Was
Yep.
it? Okay. I'm sure they have an app also, but
Yeah.
she decided to go online and make an order.
Yeah.
So we're trying some new stuff that they have out. And so we're going to go through the drive-thru and pick our
They have
order
new
up.
fries, secret recipe fries. So we're
Yeah.
going to see. You know how
So
I love my fries. You know,
Yep.
I'm a McDonald's fan.
So let's see. These are supposed to be
It's supposed to be crispy
crispier.
and seasoned with a secret recipe.
Yeah. So we'll see what that's like.
We got some wings.
So wings are supposed to be new. I guess new and improved on the
They're
wings.
back. Yeah.
Well, back.
The wings are back.
Yeah. What
And
is she
then
doing?
we did a Nashville Hot Bowl. I don't know if you ever had their bowls. I've never had a Chicken Little. I've always heard they're good, so we both got Chicken Littles. We got a buffalo Chicken Little, and I got an extra crispy Chicken Little.
Mm-hmm.
So we're going to try that. So we're going to try a bunch of different things, and we're going to make this a mukbang.
Mukbang action. Mm. All right. See you in a little bit. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too. Napkins in there?
I don't see the napkins.
Was there napkins in the bag? Do you know? Napkins?
Yeah, napkins, fork, ranch, finger licking good stuff.
Awesome.
It's all in there.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We're getting unpacked
Yep, we found some at the park.
in the shade.
In the shade.
Yeah. Let's just dig some stuff out of here, Reg. This is some kind of wing.
Get the fries at.
I'd say, oh, you want fries first?
Well, I don't like stuff with fries. Get them first thing to go cold.
Okay, the fries are in the chicken tender fillet box. This is the box. I don't know if you can see in there. Tenders, biscuit, comes with a cookie, cookies in the bag, and fries. So we'll do these fries first, because fries, good thinking, Reg. There you go.
They're thinking, awesome. Oh. Fries look good. See what they taste like. Did you try one?
Mm-hmm. I'll let you give your opinion first.
Well, they're not extra crispy.
Cookie. I love the chocolate chip cookies.
A little limp, but not bad.
I thought they were limp too.
Yeah.
They're okay.
The
Their wedges were better.
exterior it's not as crisp as it should be. Has lots of seasoning on the outside of the fry. It's good and meaty on the inside. I still say people are trying too hard to overdo the French fry.
These French fries are good. They're
They're not-
seasoned good. They're
yeah.
they're a touch salty, but it's better dipped in ranch dressing because ranch dressing makes everything good.
Not bad. I guess you want a different take on fries.
I still think their wedges were better. My big thing is, if it works, why change it? And I never heard anybody complain about the wedges. So, and if you change something, it should be for the better. These aren't better than the wedges, but they're good.
It's not bad. I mean, they're
not bad.
You can tell they got some kind of spices and seasoning all on the outside of the fry, which, as I said earlier, McDonald's got it right. Crispy exterior, soft meaty interior, and lightly salted. That just works.
I think these fries are a little old that they gave us. So if these were fresh, right out of the fryer, these would be probably really a lot better. I'm hungry. Let's try our chicken littles. You want to?
Let's do it.
So we each got a chicken little. They're little.
What do you get the fries? You say up, thumbs up, thumb down on the fries. Thumbs up on the fries. I'm gonna give them a thumbs down. They're okay, middle of the way.
They're not bad.
Maybe a halfway. How about that?
This one's yours.
I can take them or leave them. What's that now?
This one's yours.
That's mine. Okay.
You got buffalo. I got the regular extra crispy chicken little. It's finger licking good. If you haven't heard, I don't know if this is true or not, but I read on the internet that KFC dropped their finger licking good slogan because of coronavirus. I don't know if that's true or not, but if it is, that's hilarious. Really? You can't lick your own fingers? Whatever. Okay. So, here's the Sammy.
Licking your fingers will give you the Ronas.
That's what they say. We used our hand sanitizer, though. We're not getting no Rona.
All right, so yours is the plain.
Mine's plain.
And this is the buffalo, right?
That is the buffalo. And that looks pretty good, Reg. I'm going to have to take a bite of that.
Buffalo
That's got
slider.
pickle on it and
Pickle, mayonnaise.
Mine's got 2 pickles.
Awesome.
They also come in honey barbecue and Nashville hot. So it looks like a tender to me on a little sandwich.
Ah. But it's like, hell no. Is that good? Time for your plain. Maybe smell the barbecue sauce over here. Okay, that definitely smells like barbecue, buffalo sauce. That's SBA, a little salt bun action. Pickles, mayonnaise on the bottom with the hot sauce. Let's go.
Good, isn't it? It's a good little sandwich.
That's good. Crunchy.
Mine's juicy.
Meaty on the inside.
Look at that.
Pickle has a nice flavor to it. How much was it? Like less than $2, I think.
$1.79. Good little snack. They have a chicken little combo. I don't know how much it is, but it's 2 littles, side and drink.
2 little side and drink would be a good lunch. Not sure what that would cost, but that would be a good lunch. That'd be a good $5 lunch if it fell within that price range.
Those are good, aren't they? Never had one.
Thumbs up on that. That was delicious.
Mine was thumbs up. I didn't get to try buffalo. We're gonna try each other's.
Huh.
Whoopsie.
A little late for that. That bitch is gone. Okay.
Wanna try tenders?
Sure, why not?
And we got something. I always like to get the sauces wherever I go, like the house sauce or whatever. They have finger licking good sauce. This is why I don't think they're changing their slogan. They have it on everything. I mean, like, why would you change it? But anyways. What's wrong, Butt? Oh, you ate your chickens. Buttons finally ate his chicken.
Oh, he ate the plane, right?
Yeah.
Awesome.
All right, there's a sauce.
I still feel that buffalo. Unbelievable.
Was it hot?
A little warm. A little spicy.
So this looks like some kind of mayo barbecue, maybe. I don't know. We'll see. Reg, tender.
This is a tender.
Hold on. We got a toast. They gave us 4 tenders.
We do a tender toast.
Thank you, baby. Buttons, come on, come get a tender.
Yeah, he actually made like this.
Come on.
Tried yours yet?
That sauce is good.
All right, definitely crunchy on the outside. The sauce doesn't have much of a smell to it.
My tender's a little dry. Like, once again, maybe it was sitting. The sauce is really good, though. It is like a barbecue, ranchy mayo sauce, maybe. I don't know. Here, baby. Let's have him eat this one. Here. Put it down there. Oh, Bubby's eating. Here you go. Oh, he doesn't know what to get first.
He's tearing that up.
He's tearing it up. Tear it up, Buttons. We smoked a shoulder yesterday, and Buttons ate more barbecue than both of us.
Check out that video. Did some home cooking yesterday. Sarita cooked a complete meal. She roasted the butt on the grill, homemade mac and cheese. She cooked some
Cookie bars
for dessert. Oh my god!
Made coleslaw from scratch.
Coleslaw from scratch. Had a friend of ours over, Charles.
Did you say coleslaw from snatch?
Snatch, scratch. It's all delicious. Okay. Had a friend of ours, Charles, over yesterday. Had a great time talking to him. Hadn't seen him in a while.
Shout out to Charles.
Shout out to Charles. And Buttons, you can't see him. He's off camera, but he is tearing his chicken up.
What do you think about chicken, baby?
I like it.
Do you think it's a little dry?
I wouldn't
The
say
sauce
dry.
makes it good. Do you like the sauce?
Sauce is good. I didn't try one without the sauce. They are gone? Oh, let me see. I'm trying one without the sauce. See if it's dry. Spices are good on it. Really crunchy on the outside.
Biscuit. We'll save that.
I'll probably say it's probably suffering more from not being overly hot from like right at the oven. More so than being dry. I think it's good. I mean, I'm not like blown away, but they're good.
The littles were better.
The little was definitely better. Okay, those are done.
The littles rocked on, man. There we go. I can take that. Right. in here.
I definitely like that KFC sauce.
All right, you want to do wings next?
Sure, why not?
Okay. Honey barbecue. Honey barbecue wings. They look good.
You sure it's honey barbecue?
That's honey barbecue, baby. Trust me.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's not Nashville hot?
No.
Okay.
I was going to say do a thumbnail, but you're picking your teeth.
How about now?
It's good. All right. Looks good. So their wings have breading, and then they just poured a sauce over them. So let's see how they are. You stay. I got a flat first.
So these are the wings, not the...
These are wings.
Not chicken nuggets. Strong bold barbecue sauce on it for sure.
I like the sauce. There's almost too much of it. Let's jam out the wing. Another one. Another wing. I'm going to try a drum. There's like so much sauce that I left the bowl here to hold over, but Reg took it over. There's the drum. A lot of sauce.
Okay. Great bowl sauce. The breading is not really crunchy.
I don't like them. I don't think they're that great.
I don't think they're great either. Now, the reason I would say that is because of the... I don't like breaded wings. If you like breaded wings, you probably like these. I'm just not a fan of breaded wings. I like, give me a chicken skin, give me a sauce on outside of that. But I don't like breaded.
I mean,
I don't like breaded chicken.
they're not awful.
They're not, but you have to like breaded chicken wings. I'm just not a fan of that.
I'm gonna try one more. I'm gonna try another flat.
Another flat.
That sauce is sort of kicking a little spicy now.
Yeah, that is. That's a. The barbecue sauce is really good. I'm a fan of that. I thought we ordered 2 flavors in this chicken wing. Oh, no.
Well, yeah, we got another one coming.
Okay. What was the other flavor?
Nashville Hot.
It's better than this, but if it's breaded, probably not.
It's breaded.
It's breaded. Let me get this napkin for sure. You got sauce all over your face. You're messy.
That's the way you like me, baby.
That's why I like you, baby. Finger looking good.
Licking my fingers. Okay.
You got you like those a little better than what you said.
Well, they're not bad, but they, not going to make me have an orgasm over them or anything. I mean,
No. Definitely not as good as the wings we had at Wingstop. Oh, if you haven't seen that video,
Yeah.
you go check out the Wingstop video.
we don't eat boneless wings. We always bone-in wings. And
Or-
if I went to Wingstop, I'd get the boneless wings. They
Wingstop,
were really good.
boneless wings.
This is the Nashville Hot. These look different, but
This is a dry rub.
I don't know. It's
Well,
wet
don't
in there.
Spill that shit. It's in there.
You don't want me to spill that in the car?
Ugh. Probably not. Might not come out. What? Something on me?
Oh, hold on. Don't put your finger in it.
Oh.
It'll never come out.
Getting a little
If you
carried
get it
away.
on your shirt. Here, buttons. There you go. There's your chicken.
All right. So let's
Go, Daddy.
grab.
You get one. We'll toast.
It's so breaded. It's just
Here. Ugh.
the old chicken wings were breaded too. And I wasn't. I mean,
Okay, you ready? Mmm. Well, they're salty. Too much salt.
Yeah, I mean,
I like the honey barbecue ones better.
oh gosh, too much going on. The chicken's tender on the inside, but you're fighting through the
Salt.
the breading, the Nashville sauce. Yeah, I just don't. No, thumbs down on the
Thumbs
chicken
down.
wings.
Yeah.
Not a fan. Kill the breading. You may have something.
If you want to have a stroke, eat the Nashville Hot, because I
Oh
mean
my
that's
God.
so much sodium in that. I can tell you right now. Ugh, it's awful. I have a drink after that.
Yeah. So far, what the best thing is what the sliders.
Oh yeah, the chicken littles.
Little chicken little best thing we've had so far.
All right. Thing I'm worried about is we got Nashville Hot Bowl
Oh, nice.
right there.
What idea was that?
That was mine.
Probably mine. Get a bowl? Okay. Alright. See what we got here. What are you doing?
I'm rearranging my condiments and everything. All right, Nashville Hot Bowl.
Hope it tastes better than it looks.
I love their bowls. Now I've had the regular.
I've never had the bowls.
Yeah, you have.
I have.
Mm-hmm. When you were a bachelor.
I did.
Mm-hmm. Because I had it and I told you about it and you said you tried it.
I said I had tried it.
You said you tried it. So what the bowls are, it is mashed potatoes, gravy, corn, cheese, and chicken, popcorn chicken on top. I'm gonna take the first bite.
Hopefully it tastes better than it looks.
Oh
Doesn't
my
look-
God, it's
It
delicious.
doesn't look that great.
Now the regulars are delicious. I don't know about the Nashville Hot. What's not to love about a big bowl of mashed potatoes?
All right, she said I've had this before. I don't remember having it, but here we go. Let's go. It was actually pretty good first bite.
Mm-hmm.
It's going again.
I'm just not a big fan of that Nashville Hot chicken.
Bite number 2.
It's better with the regular chicken, in my opinion, of course.
Now that's good. The mashed potatoes and the gravy is great. You have the cheese, you have the corn, you have the pieces of the chicken, which is crispy. It definitely all comes together well.
Mm-hmm.
Now I like that.
Mm-hmm.
Try a little bit more than that.
Hold on, we'll get one more bite. I'll try to get a bite without the Nashville stuff on it. There you go. Look at that. That's everything. You know what I should try? I should try to make this at home. I'm gonna do it.
That's good. But even with it being good, on a scale of 1 to 5, I give it a 3.5. Can't say I'm blown away with it. It's not bad.
Next time we need to try the regular.
Because I'm sweating.
You're sweating. Got the food sweats.
The food sweats.
Reminds me of our first date.
Is that right? Yeah. A little head sweating action.
I got the food sweats. I loved them from that moment on.
Well, man, you can hold the bowl.
Mm-hmm.
You know what? We'll give it up and we'll take it. Make your mind up.
Take it, Daddy.
Nah, can't.
Time to stand.
Awesome. I do like Apple Watches. Not enough of that. It's a thumbs up, but it's about 3.5 for me.
You left your spork in here. How rude.
How rude.
Uncivilized.
So we have left a cookie to eat.
Well, cookie to eat. We have individual mashed potato and gravy, baby.
Do we really?
Yeah.
Oh, awesome. Well, give me my spork back now. I need it. Throw it away.
No. Well, it's here in the pack, and it's just in the sack. There's your spork.
Awesome.
Got us each one. I always keep the KFC containers too. I love them. And reuse them. I always have nice tight lids. Look at that.
This should be good. I have a feeling it should be or will be.
It will be.
It smells good.
You want to come up? Come on. Come on. Gravy's smooth. And the potatoes are delicious.
If I say delicious, I would say that they're okay. I give them a 3 out of a 5. Really? Some I've had better where some places you go and they have like pieces of sausage in the gravy with the mashed potatoes.
Oh, Popeyes has the best fast food.
Oh yeah,
gravy.
that's
They have really good mashed potatoes.
that
gravy.
beats these to death, I think. Yeah, so compared to that with that sausage gravy, this can't touch. I mean, this can't touch that. So
Can't touch this.
can't touch this. So I'll give this a 3.
I think you're channeling MC Hammer.
Yeah, there you go.
Okay.
I almost broke out a little hammer time.
Awesome. Okay. Time for dessert. Kentucky Fried Chicken Colonel's chocolate chip cookie. When we go to Kentucky, we'll have to go to the original KFC. We go right by it.
Think it's better than any of the other KFCs.
Oh, we'll see. It's a regular chocolate chip cookie. It looks good though. It's soft. I'll split it with Reg. That's our split portion. This is Reg's. This is mine.
Ah.
Not really. There you go, Reg.
All right.
Half chocolate.
It smells sugar.
So the cookie comes with fill-up boxes. And we got one fill-up.
I can't finish that. Yeah. There's sugar, chocolate. Yeah.
My two favorite food groups.
I'm good.
Chocolate.
Thumbs down on the chocolate chip cookie.
Oh, I get thumbs up.
Thumbs up. I'll pass. All right, so overall, one thing I really liked was probably the sliders.
Yeah, the chicken littles.
Chicken littles. Probably
And
the
that
best
was
thing.
a spontaneous buy.
Yeah. And
And the mashed potatoes.
no, mashed potatoes was okay. Just barely getting by. The sliders were probably a 4 out of 5. So nothing was like blowing me away. I mean, it was. I mean, everything was kind of. A couple things were okay. A couple things I could have done without. The new chicken wings.
Yeah. If I go the rest of my life and never eat them again,
Yeah, that breading
I'll be fine.
It's not working.
Yeah.
That's pretty bad.
and it cracks me up that a chicken place can't come up with some good chicken wings, you know.
Right? How crazy is that? You know?
Yeah.
I mean, I don't
And the fries were excuse me. The fries were good. Not outstanding. On my McDonald's scale, you know, McDonald's being a 10, they're about a 5.
yeah, once you get a 10, about halfway. So, the best they can do. And it's kind of sad you get a chicken place, allow a wing place, let's say Wingstop, come and just blow them out the water with chicken. And just, how does that happen? I don't know.
The tenders were good.
Just were okay. I mean, they were
Yeah, but nothing.
nothing mind-blowing. I didn't think.
You want your tender?
So,
Buttons hasn't even finished his tender.
all right, so we're in close to 30 minutes, so we can go ahead and cut this video off.
Bye.
Peace!
I knew he was
I will roll up in this bitch.
It scares me every time. Scare me every time, baby. You scared the baby. Look.
You can hit the end button, or you just gonna keep rolling?
You want me to hit it? Oh, I always have to hit it.
Hit it. Peace!